ViewSonic TD1655 is a portable display that you can use with your smartphone, tablet and laptops. And today we are going to have a detailed review of this product covering its features, specs, pros, cons and a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. Inside the retail box you will find the TD1655 portable display, a cleaning cloth with quick start guide, the magnetic protective cover for the screen, HDMI to mini HDMI cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And then we got the power adapter and a stylus for the touch screen. Talking about the design and build quality, TD1655 comes with a beautiful design and premium build quality. On the front side we got 15.6-inch Full HD screen. The bezels around the screen are thin, but at the bottom we got a thick bezel with ViewSonic branding. The back of TD1655 is uneven but looks beautiful and provides a nice grip while holding it. On the left hand side we got two USB Type-C port, one mini HDMI port and one 3.5mm jack. And on the left side we got the LED indicator. On the back we got two 0.8 watts speakers, a multifunctional button and the foldable aluminum stand. The aluminum stand comes with brushed metal finish that looks very premium, and the stand can be rotated at multiple angles that allows us to use the ViewSonic TD1655 in tilted position as well as in vertical position. The magnetic cover provided for the screen protection is of very nice quality. It fits perfectly over the screen. The magnetic connection is quite strong, and because of the matte surface it can be used as base for the TD1655 as well. Talking about the screen, we got a 15.6-inch Full HD touch screen display. The display quality is nice, just like any other 15.6-inch Full HD display you will see in regular laptops. The brightness level is good enough for indoor usage as well as in outdoors. The touch screen sensitivity is nice and it works perfectly whether you use your finger or the provided stylus. The screen comes with the blue light filter and it comes with lots of settings and options that we can use to enhance our visual experience on TD1655. Now talking about the connectivity, we got two USB Type-C port and one mini HDMI. You can use any of these two USB Type-C port either to power up the device or directly connect with your devices. The button provided on the back can be used to switch on the TD1655 and also navigate between the settings and select the options provided in the menu. Now talking about the productivity and usage, it can be connected with a smartphone to mirror the screen and access the content of the smartphone or the tablet on a bigger display. You can play games, see pictures, watch videos, even edit the content right from the ViewSonic TD1655. And if your smartphone comes with a desktop mode like Samsung DeX etc., then you can even use that to have a desktop experience using your smartphone and TD1655. If you connect it with your laptop or desktop PC, then you can use it as a secondary display to mirror the screen, or you can use it as extended display as well. The screen mirror of the laptop is quite useful to share the content with other people in scenarios like meeting etc. Another nice feature is that if you do not have a laptop with touch screen display, then you can use the ViewSonic TD1655 to bring this feature to you and use it as the touch screen secondary display of your laptop. So TD1655 is really a helpful product for content consumption and for professional usage as well. The audio output from the speakers are not that great because the speakers are weak and they are placed on the back of the TD1655. And since there is no battery in the TD1655, it consumes lots of battery if you power it up with your laptop or a smartphone. So I will always prefer to use it with plugged in a power socket, because that way it can also charge your smartphone up to 60 watt speed. Overall, ViewSonic TD1655 is a nice product if you want to enjoy the content of your smartphone or tablet on a larger screen, or use the desktop mode of your smartphone for better productivity. It is also equally useful for working professionals to use it as a secondary display or the extended display for work-related activities. The design and build quality is beautiful and premium. The display quality is good. The speaker output is not that great. and it consumes lots of battery if it is powered by the smartphone or the laptop. So if you are looking for a portable display for your smartphone, tablet or laptop, then ViewSonic TD1655 is a nice option for you for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.